think of root canal, it's very scary.
Pain and discomfort.
It's worse than childbirth. Was going to be comfortable, was going to be quick, and not impact my life very much at all.
I had no discomfort during the procedure or afterwards.
The GentleWave procedure allowed me to save my tooth after 2 failed standard root canal treatments.
I would highly recommend the GentleWave procedure versus traditional root canal.
If you have a busy life and you want to get back to your routine, this is the way to go.
And immediately you're back to real life and back to work and honestly happy again.